Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram sound problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having problem related to sound, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to update your app. Maybe there is update problem on your Instagram. So guys, simply you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys, after this you have to wait. Simply here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after this you have to open your Instagram app, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. So guys, after updating your app, many of bugs will be fixed, and guys, after doing this you have to go back. And guys, the second step is you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this here you need to open Instagram and click on offload app, and you need to offload your app. And after this you need to reinstall again from app store and log in again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your Instagram, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and after this you have to scroll it below, click on help, and after this click on report a problem, click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And here you need to write your problem that you are facing related sound on Instagram. And guys, if you have any kind of error, simply you have to upload your error, means screenshot of that error, and simply you have to send your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.